Welcome to Palmia. We provide customers with services like cleaning, food services including lunch restaurants, hospitals, kindergarten, schools, in addition property services and security services. We operate in the southern part of Finland and we are more than 2,000 colleagues in the companies providing our customers with good services. You could say we secure a good day at your premises every day, every week. We meet people every day, we meet our customers every day more than once. And of course the feeling you get from us is the feeling that basically ends up as the quality feeling of the whole service. For 1.5 years we have now been in the private market, let's say owned by a private company. We have been gaining quite a lot of new private customers in the last years, but also as our strength is within the municipalities, we have been growing very strongly within the municipal sector outside of Helsinki cities. You have such a welcoming feeling when you come to the office or go to the sites. You see that people, they enjoy their work. And that, of course, you can see it in the face, you can feel it when you walk in.
Since Mutares bought us in 2023, Palmia's operational result has improved tremendously. And it all started by them to establish a development program to search for efficiency initiatives in all parts of our organization. As a result, our net sales is now strong, with a strong sales pipeline going forward. We have improved our sales margin and also we've been able to cut down our fixed cost. So at the moment we are in a very good shape and the future looks very promising for Palmia.
So all this motivation will unevidently give us big new growth. That growth means new customers, but also it means, as we need people to do and satisfy those customer needs, new colleagues. So either you're a new customer or colleague, I welcome you to Palmia.